like to be with you all. May pinapare po ako sa inyong kanta at nais ko po kayong makaranahan. At sana po ma-enjoy niyo.
But I guess my best wasn't good enough, 'cause here we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes, we're back to being strangers, wondering if we ought to sit or head on out the door. Just once, can we figure out we keep doing more? Why we never last for very long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night, and we could just get through it. I know we could break through it. Cause Lord knows we're not getting anywhere. Seems we're always knowing whatever we got going, and it seems at times we've all we've got, we haven't got a break. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why the good times never last for long?
Maraming po salamat sa lahat ng tao na nandito tonight. And salamat po for supporting Kuya Fergas and supporting all of the other guests po ngayong gabi. And salamat po Viva Cafe for this amazing crowd. And nice ko pong tawagin ulit si Kuya Fergas. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Viv.